Yo, guys, welcome back to Investment Physics. Disclaimer: I'm not a certified financial advisor. I'm just a person trying to share knowledge learned through my own curiosity. Today's topic: how to get rich trading penny stocks and through intraday trading. So, by the end of this video, you will all be millionaires. This is the only video that you need to watch. Well, hopefully, let's see. Yesterday my uncle was texting me that he's new to investing, and then on YouTube he saw some YouTubers promoting penny stocks, and then he was telling me whether it's asking me whether it's a good idea to start trading, whether he can buy and sell penny stocks in small amounts and then probably make profit in a few days or a week or something like that. And this is the idea he was asking me, and then I thought, okay, I have to make this video. So let me start with what is a penny stock. Penny stock is anything which is under $5 in value. Penny stock is not traded on the larger exchanges like Nasdaq or NYSE. Penny stock is traded in something called as OTC marketplace. OTC stands for over the counter. Um, the liquidity in penny stocks is usually very less. Liquidity is basically the number of people who are buying and selling. So if you take like any well-known stock, like let's say Amazon or Tesla or Google or something like that, a lot of people at any given time are trying to buy and sell. So in case you have Google stock with you and you want to sell it today, your order will get executed as almost as soon as you place it, assuming that your bid price is correct. But penny stocks are not like that, because these are very lower valued stocks. There are only a few people that take interest in them. So if you place a sell order on a penny stock, it might take a while to get executed. And this is what is called as liquidity. Penny stocks are usually companies that have questionable management, or in the past they have not done proper regulatory disclosures, or basically there is some sort of issue in the company, and that is when it becomes kind of like a penny stock. They are also very rife with all kinds of scams and frauds, and it is a very popular ground for pump and dump schemes. What is a pump and dump scheme? Let me give you an example. Let's say I decide today to start a company. Let's say like Ludaswamy Kobri Biscuit Company or something like that. And then I go public. Of course, there is no real company like this, and I'm not really making and selling biscuits, but I just register a company, and then I create a penny stock with a face value of $1, and I put it in OTC marketplace. And then let's say I start making YouTube videos today saying that this stock is really great, the fundamentals are great, the graph is right. I'm basically making up all kinds of stuff and trying to sell the stock. And I originally already own, let's say, 50% of the company's stocks, and then the rest 50% are now out in the marketplace. And then I try to promote using YouTube or whatever, Facebook, Instagram, whatever is popular these days. And then some other unsuspecting investors, they might fall for it. They might think that this is probably a young and promising company, and what if you buy this and tomorrow it becomes as big as Britannia biscuits or something like that? And then the other people start buying these stocks, and when there is a lot of traction, then the price of the stock goes up. And when the price goes sufficiently up, what I do is I own 50% of the company, right? I'm going to dump all my stocks. I'm going to sell all of it. And then I take my profits and then I run away. I disappear. And then whoever were the others who ended up buying the stocks in the last, they are going to be stuck with the losses. And then eventually, of course, they will realize that the company was a scam, and then there is nothing called Lodasami Kobri Biscuit, and there is no product even to sell. So such things have happened in the past. I'm not saying that all the penny stocks that are trading today are this way, but all I'm trying to say is usually they are not great investment vehicles. But that is not to say that you cannot get rich in penny stocks. I mean, of course, if you are lucky, you may get rich in one or two penny stocks taking advice from YouTube or something like that. But the problem is, if you are a beginner investor, and if unfortunately you become lucky with one penny stock, then you'll start thinking that this is all I need in life. I'm only going to focus on penny stocks from now. And then you're going to continue looking for other penny stocks, and in the long term, you're definitely going to lose all your money. There is, of course, another way to make money from penny stocks. There is a person who became a millionaire trading penny stocks. But the thing is, he wasn't buying penny stocks, he was selling it. So if you have seen Wolf of the Wall Street movie, Leonardo DiCaprio starring, that movie is based on a actual stockbroker called Jordan Belfort. So he basically was trying to sell penny stock to some other unsuspecting investors, and then he was basically trying to dupe those investors, and he used to collect these heavy commissions on selling these penny stocks, and that's how he initially got rich. So this is probably 100% way for you to get rich selling penny stocks, but at the end of the day, you'll have to answer your own conscience that you knowingly cheated people. Let me go to the next topic, that is intraday trading. So this is the other question that my uncle had. There's a lot of this stuff about intraday trading and graphs and all of this. So is there an easy way to make money out of this, basically? So what is intraday trading? Intraday is basically when you buy a stock and sell it within the same day. That is called as an intraday trade. You can also consider that basically buying and selling within a very short period, like 2 days, 3 days, or something up to a week. So the thing is, there are a lot of YouTubers also promoting this kind of stuff, and they are saying they made a lot of money doing intraday trades, that they used some particular indicator like moving average or exponential moving average or something like that. And they said anybody can use it. This is all you need to get rich using intraday. But the problem is these are again things that work only once in a while, because the markets are such that most of the time there is not much activity. Like in a given day, there could probably be just 1 or 2% movement in any direction for a given stock. Only on a few days will you have very large movement, like 3% plus, and it's even rarer for a stock to move 10% plus on a day. So it is very hard for you to make a profit if there are not much movement happening for a given stock within 1 day or within a very short time period. So again, there could be some people who make or who get lucky, unfortunately, once or twice. I'm saying unfortunate because when they get lucky the first time, they think, okay, this is a new method they have found, and they continue investing more into this particular method, and in the long run they usually end up losing money. There are a lot of brokers in India especially encouraging intraday trading. They basically every morning they send SMS and email saying buy this, sell this, or buy this, hold for 1 week and then sell it, and things like this. This is not much in the US. So it's happening more in India because in India, there is still not commission-free brokerages. Even to buy and sell stocks, you have to pay some commission. And the broker makes profit only if you keep buying and selling. They are not making money if you buy one stock and then wait for 1 year and then sell it. They have to wait that long to get a profit out of you. So what they do is they keep encouraging you to buy and sell. They send SMS, they send email, they give you a push notification to the broking app, all these kinds of things. And some people who are not aware of it, they might get tempted and they may buy and sell. They may make some profits, but in the long term, they end up losing. And the only person who got richer in this process is your brokerage. This is not very common in the US. I suspect there could be some regulation. I'm not sure. But more importantly, in the US, buying and selling of stocks, most of the apps these days provide it for free. So it's not really interesting for the broker to make you buy and sell more. They could generate probably some money by front running your order or something like that. But at least I have not seen brokers trying to push me to buy and sell frequently in the US. I would like to end with a story. This is basically from something that I've seen in person. So this is my neighbor in India. The guy, he worked in Dubai for many years and he made money. And then he had 2 homes and he had a beautiful wife and 2 daughters and everything. Like life was perfect for him. And then after working for many years in Dubai, he retired and returned back to Bangalore to settle down. And then somehow he got introduced into stock markets. I'm not very sure what are his exact strategies, but I highly suspect that it could be intraday and penny stocks and all of these other things that probably were selling on YouTube or whatever. And he started losing money, but then he couldn't stop. It's kind of human emotion that if you lose money, you want to make up that money. It's kind of like gambling, right? Like if you lose money in a casino, you keep playing more to try to make it up in the same game. So this kind of happened to him, and then in the end, he lost both his homes. Like he had to foreclose his homes, and the banks took it away. And I suspect that he became an alcoholic, and he even died of depression. So this is a true story of a real person that I know. It's very sad that stock market can basically steal your entire life and a beautiful family. So please don't look for get rich quick schemes. Go in for the long haul, do things the right way. It might take time. The returns might be slow, but it will definitely make you rich over the long term. Another quote that I have to say from Warren Buffett for this is stock market is a device that transfers money from the impatient to the patient. So if you are looking for a get rich quick scheme, you are basically just giving your money to somebody else who is more patient and thorough in their research and who's ready to wait it out. That's all for this video. If you really like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you would like me to make videos on some particular question you had, please add them in the comment section below. Thank you.